Please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps us out. And of course, if you have any questions, comment below and we will answer you as soon as we can. Welcome to this IGCSE Mathematics revision lesson. In this video, we'll learn about ratios, simplifying ratios, direct proportion, and inverse proportion. These concepts are used throughout mathematics and appear regularly in IGCSE exam questions. Let's begin. A ratio compares the sizes of two or more quantities. For example, if there are 12 blue counters and 18 red counters, we can write the ratio as 12 to 18. Written mathematically, that's 12:18. Ratios help us compare quantities without needing to know the total amount. Just like fractions, ratios can be simplified. To simplify a ratio, divide both parts by their highest common factor. Let's simplify 12 to 18. The highest common factor of 12 and 18 is 6. Dividing both numbers by 6 gives 2 to 3. So the simplified ratio is 2 to 3. Always make sure you divide every part of the ratio by the same number. Even though the numbers are different, both ratios represent exactly the same relationship. For every 2 blue counters, there are 3 red counters. Simplified ratios make comparisons easier and are usually expected in exam answers. Two quantities are directly proportional when they increase or decrease together. For example, if each box costs $5, buying more boxes increases the total cost. Double the number of boxes, and the cost doubles. Triple the number of boxes, and the cost triples. This is direct proportion. As one quantity increases, the other increases in the same ratio. Notice that every time the number of boxes increases, the cost increases as well. This is a classic example of direct proportion. Inverse proportion is different. When one quantity increases, the other decreases. For example, imagine workers building a wall. If more workers help, the job takes less time. The number of workers increases. The time needed decreases. This is inverse proportion. As the number of workers increases, the time needed becomes smaller. The two quantities move in opposite directions. That's inverse proportion. For exams, remember, always simplify ratios fully. Direct proportion means both quantities increase or decrease together. Inverse proportion means one quantity increases while the other decreases. Understanding this difference can earn valuable marks. Let's recap. Ratios compare quantities. Ratios can be simplified by dividing by a common factor. Direct proportion means quantities increase together. Inverse proportion means one quantity increases while the other decreases. Master these ideas and you'll be well prepared for ratio and proportion questions in your IGCSE exam. Ratio and proportion are essential mathematical skills used throughout the IGCSE syllabus. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your revision. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share. And comment below so we can clarify things for you.